Can you deduct rental expenses when you have no rental income? Jeff, what do you say?
Well, it depends. I mean, you can have no rental income as long as your property is available for rental.
Yeah.
So,
perfect.
so if it was available to be rented and you just couldn't rent it out, you can deduct all those expenses, your interest, your real estate taxes, any bills that you incur with it.
Right. So let's make this really easy. I buy a house. I'm getting it ready for rental because it's a dump. I need to fix it up. The day that I get it ready and I put it list it for rental is the day I can start writing off expenses against it. It is now available for rental. Even if it sits vacant for the next 6 months, the only restriction is I can't take losses on that. I can't create losses on a vacant property, but I can write off the expenses against it. Now you say, but you were fixing it up. What about those? Well, Jeff, where do those go?
I tend to like to put those, if you need to do those improvements to make the place available to be rented out, you capitalize those.
You capitalize them, which means you're going to depreciate it over time. You're not going to be taking those as expenses against some non-existing rental income that does not exist because it's not ready to rent.
And we see that sometimes, that somebody will buy a property for $50,000, but it needs $100,000 of repairs and improvements. And
yeah, you see that, and then this is why you make it available for rent. I tell people all the time, A to B, quickest point, get it ready for rent. And they're like, oh, I want to do this and that and the other. I'm like, all right, your funeral, you're going to be pissed.